There it is. Nicely packaged. All right. Yep, they look pretty darn good. These are what we call the 3D floor lining. It's got deep grooves, which helps absorb dirt, and it's pretty easy to clean. Just hose it down, if it ever gets dirty. These guys also comes with what we call a TPE material. These are environmentally friendly TPE material. They're durable. The back plate has got a non-slip rib design, which prevents the cushion from folding or sliding backwards. So with these guys, it fits perfectly, and I'm a happy camper. What's going on, YouTube fam? Eddie GC back on duty. Happy Saturday. Well, today for this video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about this new product that I found on the internet. Actually, I found it over the Amazon. This one is what we call the Much Key floor mats. These are the car floor mats for the Tesla Model 3. And I finally got them yesterday. It was delivered, and let's check it out. So these are the ones. As you can see, these are made out of TPE friendly environmental plastic material. So these are really good for our environment. Not only that, if you focus on these guys here, you got that nice deep grooves, 3D. It helps in keeping the dirt off. So it's got that nice groove, and so is the other one. And one thing about these guys is they fit perfectly once you install them on your Tesla Model 3. For $129 at Amazon, you can get yourself one of these guys. Normally, people charge you for good quality about $300-400 bucks. But $129, that's what you gotta spend. So come on, let's go ahead and install this one real quick. As a matter of fact, let's start with these guys. So this is for the driver's side. As we install the Much Key car floor mats on the 2021 Tesla Model 3. Just like that. One motion. See how it is? Yeah. Now let's go ahead and install the other side. One thing about these car floor mats, some of them, when you buy them off the internet, they don't really fit perfectly. These guys from Much Key, these Much Key car floor mats, it fits perfectly. Look at that. Fits perfectly. It's got the grooves and everything. Not only that, one thing I like about these guys is it's got these patterns, which helps stabilize the floor mats. And that way it doesn't move. It's got a nice cushion on the foot. So you got the driver's side, and now we're about to install the final piece. This is for the rear passenger. So it's one big piece. So check it out, check it out. Perfect fit. How's that? Beautiful, beautiful floor mats. These are the Tesla Carmats, courtesy of Bouge RV for Tesla Model 3 floor mats. Tuning in, $129. I got the link underneath, and go ahead and help yourself. I think it's a great deal.